Space is big, really big. It's so vast that it defies our comprehension. When we try to grasp its enormity, our minds struggle to keep up. It's hard to even imagine how vast it truly is. The distances are so immense that they are measured in light years. The distance light travels in 1 year, which is about 5.88 trillion miles. When we look up at the night sky, we see countless stars, like tiny diamonds scattered across a black velvet cloth. Each of those stars is a sun, many with their own planets orbiting them, but what we see is just a tiny fraction of what's out there. Our eyes can only perceive a small part of the universe, limited by the speed of light and the vast distances involved. Beyond our planet, past the familiar planets of our solar system, lies a universe teeming with stars, galaxies, and mysteries we are only beginning to grasp. Each galaxy contains billions of stars, and there are billions of galaxies in the observable universe. The sheer scale of it all is almost impossible to comprehend. The universe is so vast that even the fastest spacecraft we have would take thousands of years to reach the nearest star. It's enough to make your head spin. The more we learn about the cosmos, the more we realize how much we don't know. But let's try to wrap our minds around just one mind-blowing fact. The universe is expanding, and the galaxies are moving away from each other at incredible speeds. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. This simple comparison helps us grasp the unimaginable scale of the cosmos. Imagine yourself standing on a beach, the warm sand between your toes. Look down at a single grain of sand, tiny, insignificant. Now picture all the beaches on Earth, from the bustling shores of California to the remote islands of the Pacific. Billions upon billions of grains of sand, right? It's an almost unimaginable number. Yet the number of stars in the universe dwarfs even that. For every grain of sand on Earth, there are multiple stars shining brightly in the vast expanse of space. Think about that for a moment. It's a number so large, so incomprehensible, that it almost loses all meaning. And yet, it's true. Astronomers estimate that there are approximately 100 billion trillion stars in the observable universe. That's a 1 followed by 22 zeros, a number so large it's practically meaningless to our human brains. How do they even begin to count something like that? They use powerful telescopes to peer deep into space, observing distant galaxies and estimating the number of stars they contain. By extrapolating from these observations, they can arrive at a rough estimate of the total number of stars in the observable universe. And remember, that's just the observable universe, the part we can see from Earth. The universe itself is likely much, much larger. Section 4. Gazing into the cosmic abyss. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders that boggle the mind and stretch the limits of our understanding. Astronomers use a variety of techniques to measure the distances to stars and galaxies. These methods are crucial for mapping the cosmos and understanding the scale of the universe. One common method is called parallax. This technique relies on the apparent shift in position of a nearby star against the background of more distant stars as observed from different points in Earth's orbit. Hold your finger out in front of your face and close one eye, then the other. This simple exercise demonstrates the principle of parallax. Notice how your finger appears to shift position against the background? That's parallax in action. This shift is more pronounced for objects that are closer to you. Astronomers use a similar principle to measure the distances to stars. By carefully observing the position of a star at different times of the year, they can detect this tiny shift. By observing a star from 2 different points in Earth's orbit, they can measure the tiny shift in the star's position against the background of more distant stars. This shift, though minuscule, provides valuable data. Using geometry and knowing the distance between the Earth and the Sun, they can calculate the distance to the star. This method, known as stellar parallax, is fundamental in the field of astronomy. It's an elegant and surprisingly accurate method for measuring the vast distances of space. Through these measurements, astronomers can map the universe and gain insights into its structure and scale, bringing us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Section 5. A humbling perspective. The realization that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth is a profound one. Imagine standing on a beach, feeling the grains of sand slip through your fingers, and then looking up at the night sky, knowing that each tiny grain represents countless stars scattered across the cosmos. It underscores the sheer immensity of the cosmos and our relatively insignificant place within it. The vastness of space stretches beyond our comprehension, dwarfing our planet and our daily concerns. Yet this realization doesn't diminish our existence. Rather, it places it in a grander context. It's a humbling thought, to be sure, but it's also an inspiring one. Knowing that we are part of such an expansive universe can fill us with a sense of wonder and curiosity. It challenges us to look beyond our immediate surroundings and to seek out the unknown. The universe is full of wonder and mystery, and we are fortunate to live in a time when we have the tools and the knowledge to explore it. Telescopes, satellites, and space missions have opened up new frontiers, allowing us to peer into the depths of space and time. Every new discovery, every stunning image from a space telescope, reminds us of the incredible beauty and complexity of the universe we inhabit. These images are not just scientific data, they are windows into the vast, intricate tapestry of existence. So the next time you're feeling small or insignificant, look up at the night sky and remember, you are part of something much, much larger than yourself. Each star, each galaxy, is a testament to the boundless creativity of the universe, and by extension, to the potential within each of us to explore, to learn, and to marvel at the wonders that lie beyond our reach.